What's up, guys? We're at the Autowerks. I mean, we already got the first part probably in the video, but once again, Autowerks.
Yeah.
Deep as crap.
Autowerks. Jeez, I about fell. I really like this Stinger, bro. I really like it. They look really good stock, and then, you know, this one's just not stock. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. There's my homie's S3. It's kind of dead.
That's pretty cool. I'm a fan of the wheels. What's your opinion on the wheels?
Huh?
What's your opinion on the wheels?
Oh, this car?
Yeah,
I think they fit it, but they're not my type of wheels.
I like them. I personally like them.
They look
You don't like
plastic.
Yeah.
They look cheap.
They're not. Like, they're expensive.
they're
They're
crap,
real
but,
expensive.
like,
They look.
I like the wheels on this. I gotta get
Yeah, I like the Supra. I like the Mark V. I really like the Mark Vs. I really want a Mark V Supra. That might be a future purchase. Not big on the wheels, but they look good. They do look good, just not my preferred style. Ooh. I like those wheels. That's my style. I like this whole car.
Dude, this Audi has
Aired out.
that cool.
Yeah, it does. This is cool. I know. Those are they just go over the wheels. Pretty cool. Not big on the red wheels, but it looks good. It's aired out. Looks okay. Oh, look at this. Look at that. Cage in the back. Yeah. This thing's running, so.
Green BMW, the lime green BMW right there.
Oh, yeah.
It's like iridescent.
This thing's turbo. Jeez. It has got a quiet plate. Yeah. I am shaking because it's cold. It's very cold, guys.
I want to hear this guy go.
What the heck? Is that a CRX? Jeez. Oh, it's a new Mustang. It is. Not a fan. This is cool. Butterfly doors. White engine bay cover. cover.
That's 650. That was a dark horse.
I know.
Okay.
They said Sonic.
The dark horse? It's like the only car, but it's a draw.
Yeah, I get what you're saying, because I didn't like the 400Zs at first either, but now I do. Oh my gosh, it's an Accord. It's a white Accord, bro. Is he gonna do a pool? I don't know. Oh, and a gray Camry.
No, but I didn't like the new Beamers at first.
Sounds good. Should we go back over there and see what's popping over there?
Where?
On the other side of the trees. Got the red underglow. On a Subaru. I'll turn my underglow on. This thing's clean. Super clean. Inside and out. Stupid clean.
I got Katie.
Not exactly sure what's going on there, but it is a CRX, I was right. There are some more cars over there. I'll probably walk back over there. Our cars are over here. This dude shoots crazy flames. Stock looking, but crazy big flames. Ridiculous. There's Tay's car. You see there's a few cars over here. Nothing crazy. It's very cold now. There's my car.
Oh, what's up, guys? You know, I parked on my own road because I'm just him.
Yeah. Yeah, this Explorer SD's from our area. There's another S650. It's just a GT. It's not a dark horse. Wow. That thing sounds good. Side of Z06. This is mine. Let's see what Tay's up to. What's Tay up to?
Oh, what's up, chat? I'm chilling in here because it's cold as crap.
We got the gang in there.
I'll make an appearance after. Oh, no copyright.
No
I'll
copyright.
make an appearance.
Okay, it's cold. What's up, bro? Yeah, what's up? Dude, look at this guy. Huge flames. It's ridiculous. That's crazy, bro. Okay, so it's gotten dark. Stuff's going down. What's up, Andrew?
I guess we could go check inside of Autowerks real quick.
Yeah, there is a GTR. I might have mistaken. It might be R33. I can't tell though. I honestly can't. This thing is sick though. This thing is really cool. Oh, I about fell. Very cool. This Honda is sick. This TRD is sick. Camry. Camry TRD, yeah. Typical truck.
It's only 6 o'clock. We still got 2 more hours that people are pulling up.
No, it's like 7.
It's 6:39.
No. This thing is sick.
That thing's tough.
Are we going to eat?
Yeah.
Where?
Y'all want. I don't know, wherever y'all want. Y'all gotta find out.
Oh, yeah. It is cold. It's very cold. There's an R8 over there. An R8. Jeez. 33. Oh, I love those wheels. I love those wheels, bro. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Pretty clean. I like that color.
Definitely aftermarket.
Definitely aftermarket. No, he's got a crack in the windshield. He is. There's an R8 over here. There's an R8 right there. I love that color. Well, I love the R8s, but I'm definitely a Huracan guy. Definitely more of a Huracan guy. It is the B10.
Gen 2 R8 is what I'm getting.
If what?
Gen 2 R8 is what I'm
Gen
getting.
2 R8? I'm going like
Regardless, I'm not going nothing crazy.
any Huracan, bro. I love all the Huracans.
I'm a supercar type of person.
That is a cool truck. All these underglows, I got underglows too.
All those cars back there, just there's no lighting there. Feel it though, Chad. We're out here, little car meet. We got moved to the top because we're on top. Vitality.
Yeah.
Trademark.
Trademark. Oh yeah. Yeah, I like that. Bro, all this music's gonna get us copyrighted.
Yeah, don't mind the music. Let's just insert a song.
That's cool.
Autowerks.
Inman, right? Inman, South Carolina.
Bowling Springs. I mean, it's pretty much.
Bowling Springs, South Carolina.
We can get some action of people pulling out. So
Maybe.
there's a lot. That's a nice one.
Copyright. Yeah, right here. We got a few trucks over here. Just a few. Look at thing bums.